Let's consider my theory. You're unemployed, you've been to rehab, you're broke.
Do not try and bend the spoon. That's impossible. Instead, only try to realize the truth.
What truth?
There is no spoon.
It just so happens I have anxiety. That means I have trouble being around assholes who won't leave me alone!
Now, how do you know how it works?
Knock it off, okay? I'm interviewing you.
I remember on one occasion, he held a bottle of claret upside down as the contents gurgled out onto the carpet.
Dad, have you completely lost your ability to recognize sarcasm?
I'm not sure I ever had it, Deborah.
A Lannister always pays his debts.
I didn't do anything wrong! You people are just jealous! Jealous that I took over South Park and I'm successful!
Now, imagine the consequences if he builds an atom bomb for them.
On the one hand, we need him. He's a world of information. But on the other hand, I know exactly what'll happen.